Dom here from Essential RC. Thanks for tuning in for another product test. We don't do too many of these actually, but the guys at Sequre got in contact with me and they said, we have a new smart screwdriver that we're bringing to the market. Would you like to give it a go? I said, yes, of course. I was intrigued. What would make a screwdriver smart? I don't know. So let's take the components out of the box. Immediate thought is that it looks a bit like the sonic screwdriver that the Timelord Doctor Who carries around. So does this make me a Time Lord all of a sudden? I don't know. I don't think so. Let's carry on. So let's take out this foam insert. And you can see we get some decals and we get the instructions. Fortunately, they are in English, very handy. And take out this, and I think we will find, yes, that this are the various screwdrivers that we can use. So we've got 24 in total, flat blade, Phillips crosshead style, and a few others, and an extension as well. So let's, what I'm going to do next is charge this up. It's charged via USB, and read the instructions, and then we'll give it a go. Okay, so I've read the instructions and time to give this a go. So I've got a little block here with a screw in it so I can demonstrate. And what I need is a suitable screwdriver. So let's take this one out. And this just slides into the end like that. Now basically this has three great features. The first one, as a basic screwdriver, you gesture the direction of rotation. So if I want to tighten something up, so clockwise, then I do a rotation, a wrist to the right. And to undo it, counterclockwise left, I do this. Simple as that. So let's take this and let's do it up. Brilliant. And undo it, I do this. To do it up. And to undo it. Really intuitive, really simple. The other thing this has is a light as well. So if you're like me and you've been in the hobby a while and you find that you're in those situations where maybe you're dinging around inside a fuselage and you're trying to do up a wing bolt, then this works really well. So let me just turn off my studio light so you can see this better. So I can actually do this by holding down the button above. There are two buttons on here, but I'm holding down the other one. Just really quick and quite a compact little pen size really, and it can fit in the back of your pocket. What this also has are some torque settings as well. So if you're doing up a screw or a bolt and you don't want it to be excessively tightened by the electric motor, then you can use these torque settings. So you just click 4 times and it takes you into this menu. So you've got automatic and then 1 through to 4, with 4 being the highest torque setting. So another really useful feature. So there you go, that's the Sequre Smart Screwdriver. It's coming out soon. The link for this is in the video description and pinned comment. You might want to click and see what the price is if you are interested in acquiring one of these. If you're interested in watching more Essential RC product, flight or drive tests that we normally do, then you might want to subscribe. And if you do, then you should certainly click on the bell icon for notifications of our future uploads. But thanks for watching this one. See you next time.